Ooh.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Last thing na I googled is LGBTQ YouTubers. Kasi kailangan ko. Ayun, LGBTQ YouTubers. O yung second last thing is rebound headache treatment. Sorry guys. I'm so ill. Defense ko kahapon. And then I feel like sa stress and all, sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. Like literal na duduwal ako. Ganun yung levels. Tapos nagtatanong na ako na anong treatment for this. Ayun yung context. Sorry.
Hindi ko alam ipapalo ko.
Sample ng ano. Kame. Laututo ako. Huwag niyo akong ginaganon.
Wait lang. Last thing I googled yung lyrics ni Billie Eilish. Yeah. It's a bop. Tapos sobrang, the lyrics, they speak to me. So, I can eat that girl from lunch. And I can good. What's the last thing I googled? Best outfit for Pride event.
Makikita natin. Wait lang. Sinerge ko kung ano yung Google Serve. Kasi nakita ko dun sa screen, ano tong Google Serve? So, isa siyang, according to Google, a chance for Googlers around the world to give back. So, ayun, parang kasi as a co-founder of non-profit organization na Queer Safe Spaces, gusto namin kumonek sa mga opportunities na ganito na kung saan mas ma-amplify namin yung advocacies namin. Happy Pride! Happy Pride sa mga bading and to those who celebrate!